Vertex BD has been updated, and the new modern user interface offers a fresh, effective, and smooth user experience. The old and new functions can be found from the ribbon tabs. The functions are grouped and the buttons have a new visual look, so working with Vertex BD is now much easier. Vertex BD also has a new help function when you hover your mouse above the button. This helps especially new users to learn what they can do with a specific function or how to use it. The Modeling tab is always active when you open the program or exit a function, if there's no contextual tab open. From the Modeling tab, you can find mainly functions that add something. From there, you can add different structures for architectural or structural design, and there are also guiding functions for modeling, for example, adding a grid. On the far left side, there's often a group of functions for copying and moving, which are now easy to find and use. When a part is selected, a contextual tab opens. Some of the functions can also be found from the context menu, which has been rearranged and trimmed. The functions that are used most often are on the top, which makes it easier and faster to find and use them. The functions regarding material reports, drawings, and other documents can be found from the Output tab. In the left, there are functions for material reports and drawings. In the middle, there are functions for area, rooms, and set of rooms. And in the right, there are functions for creating pictures and lists. Functions regarding project and drawing archive are on the Archives tab. There you can, for example, export a project to VXZ file. Rendering has its own tab where you can, for example, change the background or the visibility of the model. The functions for the libraries can be found from the System tab. The File menu on the far left-hand side includes basic functions for opening a document or project, converters, functions for printing, and preferences. A tool strip is located on the top of the window or the right-hand side, whichever way you feel better. In the tool strip, there are some common functions for models, for example, the often used Verify Distance tool. Changing between 2D and 3D in the project is now easy with the function on the left-hand corner of the window. The first icon changes between 2D and 3D, and the second icon lets you open a different drawing model pair. The parameter for project settings can be found from the project document browser by right-clicking Settings.